Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texts behind objects on the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed app on your device. And once you open it up, you can tap on the plus icon or the open button in order to open up any image from your gallery. Once you open up your desired image, you can choose from the various different presets in order to edit it. Once you are done, tap on Tools and then tap on Text in order to add your text. You can double tap in order to change your text, and you may also choose from the various different text styles. After choosing your text style and adding your text, tap on the tick mark, and now your text has been added to your desired position. After fixing your position for your text, tap on the Tools option and then tap on Double Exposure in order to upload the same image one more time. Tap on the Open Image button and then open up the same image. Once you open this image another time, the text will appear somewhat blurred. Tap on the tick mark once again, and now tap on the Edit Stack option at the top. From here, tap on View Edits, and then go into Double Exposure once again, and use the Edit Stack brush. From here, make sure Double Exposure value is set to 100%, and the eye icon is turned on. Now you can double tap to zoom in, and then use the provided brush in order to hover over to the area where you want your text to be hidden behind the object. After selecting your area carefully, you can tap on the tick mark. If you make any errors, you can set the double exposure value to 0 and then paint over the area where the mistake has been made to remove the highlight. After choosing the desired area where you want the object to appear in front of your text, tap on the tick mark, and now you will see that the text has been slightly blurred where you just painted with the red brush. Once again, tap on Double Exposure and then tap on Settings. Now tap on the Opacity option and then set the opacity to full. You will see the text disappear, but after you tap on the tick mark, it will reappear once again, and the object will now appear in front of the text. You can now go back and export your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add text behind an object on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.